Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to allow your followers to tag you on the Instagram app when you're using it on your PC, thanks to the latest update. This feature is perfect if you want to stay connected and make sure your friends and followers can easily mention you in their posts and stories. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen where you'll find the menu. Click on the More icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Next, from the menu options, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Instagram experience and control who can interact with your profile in different ways. Inside Settings, find and click on Tags and Mentions. This section is dedicated to managing how others can tag or mention you on the platform. Now, under the Who Can Mention You option, you'll see different choices. To allow your followers to tag you, select the option that says, Allow tags from people you follow. This setting ensures that only the people you follow on Instagram will be able to tag you in their posts or stories, giving you more control over your mentions. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Instagram settings on your PC to allow tags from your followers. This small change can help you stay more engaged with your community while keeping unwanted tags at bay. Remember, managing your tags and mentions is a great way to maintain your privacy and control your Instagram interactions. Feel free to revisit these settings anytime if you want to adjust who can tag or mention you. Thanks for watching and enjoy connecting with your followers on Instagram.